Hey everyone, Dr. Ryan here from Summit Sports Chiropractic. Today we're diving into an important topic, proper rehab for old injuries. As an athlete myself, I know what it's like to push my body beyond its limits and sometimes even to the point of injury. While it's important to address those injuries immediately, it's also important not to neglect properly rehabbing that injury to avoid long-term complications. Are you thinking now, great info, Dr. Ryan? Wish I would have known this when I injured myself 10 years ago. Well, good news. It's never too late to rehab an old injury. In fact, continuing to neglect them can lead to poor compensation patterns and risk of future injuries. A common misconception I've heard from athletes I've worked with is the belief that they are permanently stuck with the chronic injuries. An example from my own athletic career, I had an ankle injury about 15 years ago when I didn't properly rehab at the time, choosing instead to push through the injury to finish the season. I had thoughts during training like, can my ankle handle this? And is instability and pain my new normal? When I looked further into the possibility of rehab, I found that with proper care and attention, even old and chronic injuries can show improvement. In the end, a combination of strengthening exercises, balance training, manual therapy, and chiropractic adjustments worked wonders in both improving my confidence, training and competing on the ankles, as well as preventing recurrent ankle injuries. Another crucial aspect that can be easily overlooked or underemphasized is the importance of establishing maintenance exercises after initial rehabilitation. To prevent future injuries and maintain the progress you've made, it's essential to incorporate specific exercises into your regular routine. Consulting with an athlete-focused healthcare provider, like the providers here at Summit Sports Chiropractic, will help you determine which exercises to perform, when to apply them, how to progress, and how to modify them when needed. In addition to targeted maintenance exercises, there are also general exercises that can help you in the time spent outside of focused training or competition. Consider including these exercises into your regular routine. The first one is Brugger's relief position. This exercise done regularly can help to relieve tension in the neck and shoulders during long days at work and poor postural strain. Start with your hands in front of you, palms face up. Pull your shoulder blades back and down. Lift up with your head, tuck your chin up and in towards your ears. From the side position here, you flip the hands up, pull the shoulder blades back and down, lift your head up, tuck your chin up and in. Up next is the single leg balance. A simple exercise, but great for improving balance and stability. Start by shifting your weight onto the leg that you're going to be working on. Gently bend this knee, bring this foot out in front of you and raise it about 4 inches off the ground. If you feel shaking, that's absolutely normal. If you need to put your toe down to catch yourself before falling, please do. In this position, make sure that your hips stay nice and neutral. Don't shift up or down. Another great one is banded finger extensions, a great exercise to prevent common overuse injuries in hands, wrists, and elbows. Start with a rubber band. Make a cone with your fingers. Place the rubber band around the knuckles closest to the fingertips. Gently open and expand the hands. Bring them back together nice and slow. Expanding, slowly bringing them back. There you go. So remember, properly rehabbing old injuries is absolutely crucial for athletes who want to maintain peak performance and avoid future complications. So don't let past injuries hold you back. So think about your past injuries and which ones might still be impacting your current training routine, and consult with your athlete-focused healthcare provider this week to develop a personalized plan of action to start taking care of your body. You deserve to improve your athletic experience, and this might be your next step.